Good evening, everybody, my teachers and my friends. It's not that we are very happy, we are very fortunate to have all of you here, and we are very lucky for that. And our batch students, we agree? Yeah, being happy is a different part, but being lucky is the most luckiest thing what we can have. We can see all the sirs, even principal sirs also I can say as the teachers because they taught us so many things. Now I want to show some mind games, how people think, how thinking affects our nature, our feelings, our emotions. The people who are very thin generally like red and orange colors. People mostly who are very thin likes orange and red colors. The people who are healthy like purple and lavender and lilac shades, indigos. The people who are very emotional and sensitive like pale green and pink colors. Can you correlate with that? Yeah. Yeah. So colors definitely affect people, the thoughts, everything is all a mind game. So let's experiment with few mind games. I need the 4 of the teachers, our guests, and I'll be very happy to have 4 teachers on the stage. Any 4 teachers?
Vasundhara, shall we call teachers ourselves?
Yeah, no problem. Anything random, it's random.
Random, any 4 teachers?
Any 4
who would like
teachers
to volunteer?
Voluntarily?
Who strongly believe that Vasundhara cannot read their
No,
minds?
it's not a challenge.
Any challenge?
I'll try to come closer to your thoughts. It's very difficult to predict exactly,
Okay.
definitely.
I think Vasundhara,
Yeah.
we will call.
Okay.
Okay, so we will call A.S. Sharma sir,
Okay.
our physics PGT sir, because he is related to science, and let us see whether you can challenge his mind. Thank you, sir. We will call Manjula ma'am.
She's in pink. Pink is very sensitive and very emotional color.
And we would like to call Ganeshan sir.
Yes, sir, you can stand, sir.
One more. So come on, guys. Okay, from students.
We need to sit.
I cannot hear. Please, louder. Once again. Ramu Naik.
Okay,
Excellent. Now, so student as well.
So we have 4 people almost on the stage. Madam is sitting here. So first, madam, you have to help me. I'll be giving you some stack of blank cards. Okay, you can take as many cards as you like, blank cards, and write anything, your likes, dislikes, anything, names, objects, anything, whatever you like on that. And I should not see that. You can just write anything or randomly, whatever strikes to your mind. One on each card. Yeah, in a medium size. Okay, so I should be a little bit away from that. So we have 3 people here. So now we are going to do one experiment, a game, where one person will be taking a card. Okay, one person will be thinking of an object, non-living thing, an object, and you will be thinking of a living thing, animal or any human being, any name of any short name of anybody, any person. So you people will be thinking 3 of them, and I have a transparent glasses here, 2 glasses. So I need a podium little bit over here, so that I will be placing almost very close to your thinking something. If I try to work on and keep the tea, you can see nothing is there, right? And I will be taking only 3 sheets. Only 3 sheets. Can you check anything in this? No need to write. It's only in mind. Okay. Okay. Sir, this only check the papers. It's just blank papers. So nothing written on it, right? Blank papers. Okay.
So all the three papers
blank.
are blank, right?
Okay.
All the three papers are blank.
Hold these papers. Thank you. So madam is busy in writing the things about herself. Now, okay. Now I'll try to read. One second.
Okay, now Vasundhar is okay. What's happening is Manjula ma'am has got blank cards and she is writing something on it. Whatever she is thinking right now, she is writing on them, and she'll be writing on 3 cards, right, Vasundhar? Okay, she's writing on any number of cards, right? Any number of blank cards, and Vasundhar doesn't know what ma'am is writing, Manjula ma'am, and we have 3 people. Sharma sir, Ganeshan sir and Ramu Nayak, who are thinking, who are guessing what Manjula ma'am can write. Right, Vasundhar? Yes, right. They are guessing. They are not guessing. Okay, okay, fine. I'll explain it once again. Manjula ma'am is writing anything, whatever she wants on the white cards, on the blank cards. Sharma sir is thinking something, a living thing, about living thing, and Ganeshan sir is thinking about a non-living thing, and Ramu Nayak, okay, Ramu Nayak will simply pick a card from Manjula ma'am, right?
So you're ready with your thing in your mind, all of it. Okay. First I am going with you, sir. Just think in the mind so that the vibration should be strong enough, at least reach me. I should come to close to it actually.
Okay, now Vasundhar is reading Sharma sir's mind. So let's see whether he can read it. So Vasundhar has read. Okay, so now Vasundhar has already written that and he is placing it inside a glass, which is transparent, so that everyone could see that. Okay.
Sir, what you have thought of it? Like, can you reveal it? Yeah, living thing. What was that?
Actually, it was a. Should I? Okay. It was a deer that I was thinking about because I was there in IIT Chennai for some time and then there was plenty of deers. So I was thinking about it.
Okay.
So I think I should be close to that. Thank you, sir. Next is your turn. It's a non-living thing. But we can write anything. Any more cards? Okay, anything. Okay. So now it's your chance, sir. It's a non-living thing and you have to think more so that I will try to come close to it.
Okay, Vasundhar is done with physics sir's thoughts. Now he is reading Ganeshan sir's mind. Ganeshan sir is thinking about a non-living object. So let's see what Vasundhar writes on the paper. Okay, so he's done, he has folded it and once again it goes into the transparent glass. Done. So one living and one non-living.
Now it's Ramu Nayak's turn.
Vasundhar is shuffling cards, the playing cards, and Ramu Nayak will randomly pick one. Okay, Ganeshan sir, please reveal the non-living object that you were thinking about.
Computer.
Great, computer.
I was thinking about computer.
So I should be something pretty close to it. Okay, now it's Ramu's turn. Now you have to say stop anyway. Before you take, I have to predict you.
Okay, another blank paper. Vasundhar is reading. Okay, Vasundhar was asking Ramu to concentrate so that the vibrations come out of Ramu Nayak's brain and Vasundhar can understand them and write them. Okay, Vasundhar is done. So he's done with 3 people. Now it goes into the transparent glass. Living, non-living, and Ramu, what's yours? Nothing. Okay, you are thinking anything in this world. Wonderful. Okay, Vasundhar is shuffling cards, playing cards. He has picked one card randomly. Okay, and he has seen that. Vasundhar doesn't know which card it is. I don't know how many cards there are.
No, madam, you have also written your likes, dislikes, anything, whatever came to your mind. So I have no idea about it, what you were writing on it, right? I'm very far away from you and we are busy with other things. So now, can you hand me those cards, what you have written? You written only in single word in one card or everything? One in each. Okay. Only 4? Oh, 4, okay.
Okay, Manjula ma'am has done with the writing, right ma'am? So you have written your likes and dislikes. Manjula ma'am has written 4 cards and Vasundhar is asking to pick one card randomly. Okay, done with 1. Okay, other 3 cards I'm having it.
Okay. Now we have 3 slips. Can any Krishna, can you pick the 3 predictions and read it for the audience and show them if possible? If I am pretty close to it, I think I am very close to it.
Okay, anyone?
Anyone, yeah. 3 predictions, right?
So who is thinking this?
Yeah, open it. All of 3 people. It is 7 of spades. You have taken which card? Ramu Nayak, is it right? 7 of spades? 7 of spades. Yeah, it was right. Second prediction. Something there. Okay, okay. We need the third predictions to be opened now.
Third one? So non-living object.
Non-living object. It should be something. Non-living object. Anyway, sir has.
Awesome.
Okay. Thank you very much. Now there is one more prediction taken by Manjula madam. She has her likes, dislikes. I gave a blank card. She has written few things and she has chosen one card out of it. So there is no restriction from Manjula madam because I have asked a living thing, a non-living thing and a card. Now here madam doesn't have any restrictions. Now I have to predict directly what she has taken, what she is thinking in her mind. So I will try to read her mind and concentrate madam. Just think what you have written in that card. Just think. It is something spiritual. Do you agree? Yes, she agrees to that. It's something spiritual. You like to read some kind of spiritual books? Do you mean that?
Yes, yes. You are very
okay. That's especially you want to listen to spiritual music, something like that.
not
spiritual speeches,
music, spiritual discourses.
Okay, yeah, discussions and spiritual books when you have
Spiritual
a leisure
books,
time.
yes.
That's what you are thinking about
Yes,
it.
yes.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Correct.
So let's see what ma'am has written. So ma'am, please read it.
I had written, interested to listen spiritual discourses and read spiritual books. Your guess is correct. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, that's awesome. Anyone else in the crowd? Anyone else in teachers or anyone else in students who want to challenge Vasundhar?
Okay. Now I am going to come for another illusion kind of thing. Thank you very much. We'll continue in some time. No? A lot of
Okay, great. Next.
Thank you very much for the teachers and Ram
Thanks a
Naik
lot,
to
sir.
come on the stage.
Thanks a lot for
We are afraid now to
Sharma
stand
sir.
before you.
No. Thank you very much for coming on stage and helping me in the project.
Thank you, sir.
Actually, we are afraid of standing in front of Mr. Vasundar. He can read our minds very nicely. So at least while we are withdrawing money from ATM, we should not stand in front of him.
Okay. Hello. I want to tell. Okay, let the teachers sit. Now I want to show some magic actually. How magic works and what is magic. Before that I have to fold my sleeve so that you should have more convincing thing that how magic happens. So a lot of magicians hide things under code so that which I don't want people to have confusion. But I need a volunteer 100 rupee note from any of the teachers, 100 rupee note. Okay, before that I want to show you something. Okay, no problem. Okay, now what is magic? What is magic? Creating anything from nowhere is called magic. An empty-handed, sleeves folded, if you create something, anything from the mid-air, like something like red silk, it's a magic. If you push this silk back, with the hand, fast and it vanishes. But still it is inside my palm. If I pull that silk, it comes out. Producing anything.
1 second, Vasundar, 1 second. Cameras, please zoom in. Cameras, please zoom in because after this show, we can see. Okay. Continues, we want the projectors to be switched on. Can we switch on the projectors, please? Okay, one more item. Okay. Yeah, continue, Vasundar. Okay. So we want this to be disappear. Vasundar, okay, now you have it, right?
I need a 100 rupee note.
A 100 rupee note? Anyone? Alumni Association will promise to pay back the 100 rupees note in case if it disappears. Okay, so that's a 100 rupee note, a new one. It's real, visible, folded half, quarter, another quarter half. Come on, man. What's happening? It's gone or is it 500 or oh my god, it's 8 rupee, 1 rupee. Awesome.
You like this trick? You want to see it again? One more 100. The sir is willing to give, but anyway, no problem, sir. I'll try to restore it back so people can shoot with their mobile phones and the cameras so that.
Krishnan sir. So Krishna sir is.
Sir needs 1000 for it.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, so Navnitha sir has given 100 rupees note. If it vanishes, he wants 1000 rupees back. Sir, we will think about it, sir. We'll talk after the event.
But this is enough. I'll try to reverse this back. So
Thank you, sir.
please concentrate.
Okay, that's a 1 rupee note. Okay, watch his hands. Okay, his sleeves are folded, so yes. Oh my god. Cameras, please zoom in, cameras, please. Awesome. 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 Thanks a lot, Vasundhara. Anything else for?
Well, few more tricks. I have to explain what is magic also. So,
Okay, the 100 rupees is back. Is it original? Yeah. Great. It's original. Original.
we have produced a silk from nowhere. So I'll try to see, producing something is also magic, vanishing something is also magic, and transforming from one form to another is also a magic. So I'll try to do something with this silk and just concentrate. What the color of the silk?
Okay, what's the color of the silk? Okay, red. Red.
My sleeves folded.
His sleeves are folded.
Here.
Okay, so the sleeves are folded.
Camera zoom in.
Cameras, please zoom in. Okay. The silk is inside his twist. Okay, it's there inside, yes. Yes, it's there. Yes, it's there, yes. It's there. Yes, it's there. Yeah, it's there, it's there. Oh my god. Awesome. That's awesome. Awesome. Okay, that's solid. That's solid. Awesome.
Okay, this is art. Changing in one form to another form is also one part of a magic. Actually, I wanted to explain basics of magic. So we'll continue with some other tricks.
Okay, so some more tricks. It's the same ball which is solid.
But how the illusions are created.
Okay, he's trying to. Okay, it's there inside, yes. Yes, it's there. Yes, it's there, yes. It's there. Yes, it's there. Yeah, it's there, it's there. Oh my god. Awesome. That's awesome. Awesome. Okay, that's solid. That's solid. Awesome.
Okay, this is art. Changing in one form to another form is also one part of a magic. Actually, I wanted to explain basics of magic. So we'll continue with some other tricks.
Okay, so some more tricks. It's the same ball which is solid.
But how the illusions are created.
Okay, he's trying to create illusions. It's only one ball, but he's trying to transform it to many balls. N number of balls. So we'll see. It's only one, again two, again one, two, one. Come on, you have two.
It's an illusion which is created.
Okay, so once again, please. Oops. Okay. Oh. Oh. That's awesome. That's awesome. Actually, I'm very close, and I can see that it's magic. 3, 2. Okay. The shadow. Shadow can never lie. So. Oh god. So guys, you can see that the cameraman is zooming, the screens are on, so you can have a close look. Vasundhara, so keep repeating the same trick. So 3, 4, 3. Come on guys, this is not easy. This is not easy. Vasundhara, anything to say?
This is how we can multiply things. It's an illusion of creating things. Actually, magic has some tricks with it. So we create, we plan, we keep a distance, we keep some angles so that it creates some magic like in front of your eyes.
Okay, that's great. Anything else? Okay, that's a rope. Okay.
I have a magic rope which I bought this from Egypt. But you will wonder why this person is saying that one normal woolen rope from Egypt. Yes, true, it's true. Definitely a magic rope which has 3 ends. Can you believe that? A rope having 3 ends? Have you seen a rope with 3 ends? What? 4? Yes. A rope having 4 ends. That's, yeah. Is it possible, by science it is possible to have 4 ends for a rope? No. It is only possible when I have 2 ropes in my hand, right? It is only possible if I have 2 ropes in my hand, right? So I have 2 ropes and there are 4 ends, right? Initially I was showing a long rope like this. Initially I was showing a long rope like this. You remember that? Initially I was showing a long rope like this, right? Okay, take this rope. I'm making one overhand knot, only one. And you get 3 knots, same time. Thank you.
That's awesome. There's something in this rope or there's something in his hands. So we will once again, we are recording everything, we will see that. And now he has got another rope which is in red.
This is a long rope. And ladies and gentlemen, my friends, one thing I have to say, I can't do magic with 2 ropes. The basic thing what I can do is I can do magic with only a single rope. So we'll try to do some things with this kind of rope. I need to cut this rope with the help of my friend. Take your hands, raise your hands, my friends. Yeah. When I say 1, 2, 3, you should cut from there. 1, 2, 3, KVND cut. No, time. Okay, now. 1, 2, 2.5, 3, KVND cut. That's good, good cut. Ladies and gentlemen, at the very beginning I was saying I can't do magic with 2 ropes. That is the problem. I can do magic with only a single rope. I can do magic with a single rope like this.
That's awesome. I mean, I can see it from here. This is awesome.
Take the rope and knot it. It's become a ring. Take the finger, chop it, cut. It becomes 2 ropes again. Can you see the 2 ropes? Yeah, the basic thing is that I can't do magic with 2 ropes. I can do magic with only one long rope like this. Okay, take this rope. Keep the ends tied. Can everybody see the rope and the ends? Right, friends? Sir, you see that? It becomes a ring. Place this bit again over that. You can see the bit over the rope, right? Just pull the back, the end goes back into the rope. Now I'm taking the ends, keeping in the pocket. Here are the ends, into the pocket, right? Okay. Where is the ends? Center in the right hand. Just slowly pull out till my ends are inside. Okay. Where are the ends? Slowly if I'll raise, center comes, ends comes over here. A normal rope. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Once again.
Awesome. That's awesome.
Once again I want to thank my friends Krishnam, Satya Srinivas Rao, Nawaz, to make people come together, contact people from different places, very far away, and I never thought that this could happen. It is like an impossible thing happening. I am very happy and I am very fortunate to see all of you here. I can't express all these things in my words, but really we all need your blessings and everything from your side, and very happy to see you also. And I also thank my friends for getting these things happen. And thank you very much. We'll see you next.
Awesome, guys. Vasundhar, wonderful, wonderful.